Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start chapter 2 exercise that is about atomic structure. Short questions. First question is, why is it said that almost all the mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus? The mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus because it contains proton and neutrons. Each of these particles is approximately 1836 times heavier than an electron. Since electrons have negligible mass, nucleus accounts for nearly 99% of the atom's total mass. क्योंकि एटम के अंदर न्यूक्लियस में प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन है जिनका मास सबसे ज़्यादा है। इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास जो है वो बहुत ही कम है, इस वजह से जो है वो ज़्यादातर जो मास है वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर ही पाया जाता है। Why are elements different from each other? Elements differ from each other because they have unique atomic number. An atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus. This number determines the chemical identity and arrangement of electrons, which dictates the element's unique chemical behavior. So atomic number जो है वो किसी भी एलिमेंट के लिए उसकी आइडेंटिटी है, और एटॉमिक नंबर जो है वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट है प्रोटॉन्स उनकी तादाद है या इलेक्ट्रॉन जो कि न्यूक्लियस के गिर्द घूम रहे हैं। Third question, how many neutrons are present in bismuth? So to find the number of neutrons, we will subtract atomic number from the mass number, and formula is number of neutron is equal to A minus Z. A here is the mass number and Z is the atomic number. In case of bismuth, atomic mass or mass number is 210 and atomic number is 83. So 210 minus 83, answer is 127 neutrons. Why is tritium radioactive element? So tritium is an isotope of hydrogen which has atomic number 1 and atomic mass 3. So tritium is radioactive because of unstable neutron to proton ratio. It contains 1 proton and 2 neutrons. This imbalance makes the nucleus unstable, leading to radioactive decay to reach a more stable state. Fifth question, how can an atom absorb or evolve energy? An atom absorbs energy when an atom jumps from lower energy level, that is ground state, to an higher energy level, that is excited state. It evolves energy when an electron falls back from higher energy level to lower one, often emitting light. So energy is emitted in the form of light.